the snow. This is their backyard. Mag-shovel mamaya si Jim. Oh, wow. Okay, let's go. Let's go on the road. It's so white. Yan oh guys, 20 centimeters daw yung snow eh. Total. Here we go. Back to work na tayo, tapos na yung break. Okay, bye. So, bumili tayo ng ulam sa Marsisig. Yan. This is ours. Tapos kay Zion is the Shanghai. And kalabasa too. Tara, mag-read na tayo. You wanna read? Do you want to read? Yes or no? Say yes? Zion, say yes?
No, Dada. Dada.
Santa. Okay, let's read. Guys, I'm home for break. Ayun na si Jim. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, daddy, go. Wala, nakalimutan ko ano yung pillows. Ilagay sa inside the house. Ayan siya guys, ang daming snow. Look at the car. Si Forerunner. Kawawa naman si Forerunner. Grabe oh.
Mama, Dada.
Daddy is outside.
Dada. Mama, 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 mama.
Yeah, you wanna see Daddy? Let's go watch Daddy, okay? Guys, we are going to end the vlog. And Daddy went to work na. Zion, diba? What are you doing there? Your favorite pajama. We have to ligo soon. Yan na po ang maliit na bata. Guys, sa front naman tayo ng bahay mag-shovel. Wait lang. Okay. Wait lang guys. Oh, yung snow. Shovel ko. Ayan. Tara. Let's do it. Okay guys, yan na muna. Ayan. Okay, back to work. Alright. We're home na pala and it's reading time. It's Santa daw. It's Santa. Can you show mommy the other Santa? Okay, next page. Whoa, lots of gifts, oh. And si Santa. That's Santa. Wow, what color is Santa wearing? What color? What color is Santa? Red? Is Santa red? The sleigh and two. Ay, how am I supposed to read? Huh? Wow, feeling ah. Ah, read mo na kay baby mo. Yan. Read ka na kay baby. Buko naman. Dirty one. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, next book. Next book na, come on. Tapos pajama ka na, then freshen up na si Zion, then bedtime. And, oh, you say bye-bye na. Can you say bye-bye to the... Raya. Wala si Spider-Man naman yung gusto. Okay, guys. Good night. Bye.
Wow, that's so wow. Wow, it's really
Okay, guys. Read na kami. Bye.